Hey everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through how to adjust your privacy and safety settings on Twitter. Whether you want to control who can see your tweets or manage how Twitter uses your data, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have the latest version of the Twitter app installed to open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner and open main menu. Scroll down and select settings and support. Now you will want to head the privacy and safety section. Tap privacy and safety. This is where you will find all the controls to customize your experience. Here you will see various options like audience and tagging, content you see, mute and block, and data sharing and personalization. Now let's walk through the key privacy options. Protect if you want your tweets to be visible only to your followers. Enable protect your tweet. This turn your account private, meaning only people you approve can follow you and see your tweets. If you don't want strangers tagging you in photo, turn off photo tagging to limit it only people you follow. Now you can also control the content you see and share. Manage accounts you have muted and blocked to reduce unwanted intersection. If you don't want to see sensitive content, make sure the display media that may contain sensitive content option is turned off. Choose whether anyone can message you or just the people you to follow. Um, Now tap on data. If you are concerned about privacy, you also might to limit the data Twitter collected. Tap data sharing and personalization, uh, and adjust settings like personalization and data and location information to limit what Twitter can track. And that's it. Now you have successfully customized your privacy and safety settings on Twitter. This will help keep your account secure and make sure you are only sharing what you are comfortable with. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick social media tips. Thank you for watching.